Alright, so it's April 15th, 2023, and we're on Portage Lake this morning to try. 6:15 right now. I'm going to fish for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and my dad's going to show up. So I'm going to fish with my dad today, and hopefully we can put him on the hot bite that I've had here in the past. It's been so warm, I'm sure this lake's been fished a lot of fair weather fishermen and stuff, which is fine. I mean, it was a great week to come out and fish. So hopefully the bite's still good. I know the water's going to be warm enough, but I just don't know if the fish got hammered over the week that I haven't been here. So we're gonna hopefully be able to fish our spots without too many people this morning before it gets busy, and catch some big ones. Hope my dad can get a 5-pounder. He's gonna tie on a new buzzbait for me. All right, just a chartreuse and white buzzbait by Demichi. Just have a loud clacker. I was thinking kind of like a whopper plopper. But just gonna buzz around this point before my dad gets here and see if I can get anything, draw up anything. Noticing lots of clumps of algae all around the surface. I can see it in this buzzbait. A few casts with the Ozuri, see if there's something on this point. Should still be good. Yeah, still good. There's still fish here, but we snagged this one. Alright, 2 casts, 2 fish with the Ozuri. Catch all the fish before my dad gets here. Let's catch a few more at least. That was a smaller one. Lost. Caught a couple and snagged one, but I thought it'd be a little bit better than that on the red eye shad with the Ozuri. Just gonna run by the creek mouth a minute, try it over there and that buzzbait, see if they'll hit any topwater this morning. Alright, my dad should be here pretty soon. Let's run down by the launch. Right over there. Just kind of surprised I didn't get any bites on the rattle trap over there either. Could turn on though when the sun comes up. Yeah. So this is the lighter rattle trap. I'll give you this lighter one so you don't have to reel quite as fast. So we're going to try to skirt around this red, like 5 feet or less. And you just cast towards shore and then just crank at this speed or so, like pretty fast. You know, just keep it moving and kind of keep your rod tip up. That helps it stay out of the dirt. Otherwise you'll be dragging a lot of weeds. But you just crank, just cast and reel, and every once in a while it'll be like pop, then fish on. Is the hope anyway. That's what they're supposed to do. And you just keep casting and reeling, keep maybe like almost as fast as you can, as fast as you want to go. You can tell how much you're getting in the weeds. You might be able to slow it down some, but sometimes they seem to like it really fast. You gotta be quick with it when it lands, so that it doesn't. You can almost like start reeling just before it lands, so that it doesn't settle to the bottom before you get a chance. I'm going to try a different color. Yeah, about that speed, looks about right. The good spot is up at where those trees are in the water. That's where I caught them this morning anyways, was up at that end. But they can be anywhere starting back here all the way around the point of it. So we'll start here and work our way around and hope we find the mother lode. 65-degree water is pretty warm. Hi. There's fish. Yeah. That's the littlest one we should catch all day. Yeah, it helps if you know how. you do an overhand cast, you just kind of put your thumb, your fingers right on the, yeah, like that, and you kind of snap, pull down with your left hand a little bit, give a little bit more. You can get some distance with these baits. They fly pretty good. You might be in trouble. Oh, there's one. That one popped it getting hard. A little better. Good medium. Now the one thing is they do like this red color. Pretty good too. So how come you can't get yours to cast right? Why do you keep getting yours all tangled up? But I don't know what you're doing. They usually don't get tangled up that often.
Maybe the way I throw it or something. Maybe I'll have to
Change your throwing style. Maybe reel up. There you go. Yeah, and just yeah, do it like that every time. Come on, there we go. Decent one.
4 or 5 casts for you and 2 fish.
Yeah, like I said, I mean it can be. If we get it right, it can be almost every cast for half an hour. It'll all be like the size I caught, mixed in, bigger, smaller. But we'll see. Oh, I felt like a bump. Should have came here on Tuesday night. Like the weather was perfect for here and the time was right, and I was like, oh, I should really go to Portage, but I mean, I keep going there. I should try something else. I really should. And I went there and caught. Oh, I missed him. Went there and caught almost nothing and was like, why did I go? Missed my chance. And now to show up here and the water be 65, they could be, like I said, spawning or who knows what. Oh, chased it right up to the boat. I see the swirl. Like I said, we're just getting to the kind of the better area. So hopefully you'll catch fish. Just stick with it. That's the thing. You can go through dry spells, but almost guarantee you'll catch something if you just stick with it. And still got to be close enough to the time of the year. Weeds haven't started to come up too much yet, but they are growing. Oh, he's hitting it. He's trying to get it. Tapped it twice. Or I hit bluegill or something. Come on, fishies. It's a little calm though. I do better here when it's windy. True. And the lake to ourselves. Wait when you get the lake to yourself. All the fish are yours to catch. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Nope. That's a big one. That's a big one. He either hit it twice or after he hit it, he swam forward. Yeah, I could probably use the net on this guy. It's probably four pounds. Oh, let's see. Oh, he just threw it. He was bigger than 4 pounds.
Yeah.
Did you see him when he came up? Or no?
I did not, no.
Yeah, that was a big fat one. I don't know if you saw it.
He would have made your day.
He would have made the day. Oh. Shoot. Well, that's a good thing to know. There's still some big ones up on this. Some of the ones you want are still up here. My honey hole. Not as big as the last one, but pretty, even a little on the small side for what's typical. You're a little on the little side. have to have you try this red one for a little bit. See if it wants.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm just getting used to it. I think it should be working.
Could be, but sometimes it doesn't. Because you need the red one here sometimes. Try the red one, Dad. I've got 3 red ones. We can all have red ones.
I think that's the color of this morning, man.
Could be. Let me switch it. And I'll put a different color on that one. See if I can see it. It feels about the same. It feels about the same. So you don't have to go too much faster to keep it out of the weeds than you were. If at all, you can keep trying it like you were. This one does not seem to be the right one. Try the Missouri one. Red color. I don't know. They're just turning on. Don't you worry.